Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I have the aluminum. It's the essential home and kitchen can, nitrous oxide can, and it actually, if you ever watch Chuck, okay, they have this on there, and they make the whipped cream and all that with it. And I've always wanted one of these, but I've never actually bothered to actually review it until I decided, okay, I can take this. I can do this. So I got that. I didn't think that they were going to give it to me, but it surprised me. And it must be inside. And this is the can. And this is how it all works with nitrous oxide in it. And if I can open it, which I don't think I can, but we're going to try. Yeah, I got it. No, I don't give up to this. But no. Okay, so this is empty. I'm wondering where the can, because it should come with 2 sprayers, but I don't have that. So I'm wondering where it is. I'm going to look in the box again. Maybe it fell out or something. I love that. Oh, way down in the box. That's because this box is this big. That's why I look 2 or 3 times before I discard anything, because you never know. Here they are. So this is, I guess, for the whipped cream. And this is for, I guess, those little things that they make with the mashed potatoes, maybe. I don't know, I'm guessing. And then there's this one. And then here's the brush. It cleans it all out. And then here is a big one. So it's got a lot of holes in it. I don't know what that's called, but I will learn. And I'm going to be doing things with this on my cooking segment, so be watching. Alright, so I'm going over the 1, 2, 3, 4 different tops for it. And I knew that they had to be. And that is it. Again, this is done with nitrous oxide. And I'm excited about that, because anything that would make it easy for me not to have to make whipped cream, although I make it and everything like that, but I'd like to be able to have something, and it's not heavy so I can hold it, and it's not, hard to unravel, so that's good for me. So again, this is the Essential Homes Kitchen whipped cream maker, and little doodads and doohickeys, and I'm really happy about that. I got my little book, and we'll be doing more, because it's got recipes in here. It's got perfect whipped cream, it's got gingerbread cream for coffee, it's got foams for infusion, and so we'll be making these, at least a few of them, just to try it out. So if you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up, and I will leave everything in the comment section for you. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.